Hey everybody! Alright, today we're gonna make it for you guys chicken. Alright, chicken dough. Alright guys, that's what I need. This is what I need to make this dish. Alright, it's looking good, right? Looks good. Alright guys, let's start. Alright, don't be afraid. Alright guys, let's go. Alright guys, here I have the chicken. So you can see here, I have holes. You can make a holes with a knife. Alright, I have holes everywhere. I'm gonna make another one here so you guys can see it. See? Make a holes. Alright, very good. Alright, let's start. Okay, I'm gonna start with my limes. Alright guys, here you go. You just have to squeeze all over this one lime. Right? Don't forget to turn over and spray the limes. It's looking good. Alright, don't forget to put inside too. Alright, that's good. That's enough. Alright guys, my second choice here, it's gonna be my salt. Alright, see? My salt, I have 1 tablespoon and a half. Right? So, that will go over. Right? Don't forget to put inside too. Right? And the back. Wow, very good. All right, very good. That's my salt. Very good. All right, guys. My next step is gonna be my chicken bouillon. All right. All right, very good. So what you do with this, you pour inside. You see that, guys? It's gonna taste delicious. Look at that. Look at that, guys. All right. It's gonna bring the flavor together. All right. Get there. All right. Don't forget to put in the legs too. So the legs will taste juicy and delicious. Alright? Okay guys, the rest you just put all over the place. Don't forget to put inside and the back. Alright? Looking good. Looking good guys. Alright, very good. So, alright, my next step is I'm gonna go with my my mustard. All right, mustard that you have to brush. Right, I have here 4 tablespoons. All right, of mustard. The mustard you're gonna brush. Right, the chicken. All right, looking good, guys. This is a very special chicken. All right, just brush all over the place. Don't be afraid. Alright guys, let's do it. Okay, don't forget to do this inside. Alright. Alright, very good. It's looking good. The next step, I'm gonna go with my garlic. Alright, I have 4 cloves of garlic. Alright, so what you do is go all over the place. Don't forget to put inside, very important. Alright, and put in the whole too, not much, just a little bit. Alright, just for the flavor, to give some flavor. Alright, alright, the rest you just put everywhere. Alright, looking good, guys. Alright, my next step is gonna go with rosemary. All right, rosemary, guys, you put just a little bunch. Okay, by rosemary I have here, you see they come little bunches. So you just take one bunch, cut in small pieces, and you just put everywhere. See, the colors is coming together, and don't forget to put inside too. Right, very important. Right. All right. Next step. Next step, I'm gonna go with my basil. All right. Basil. Sprinkle it. The basil, I have only 2 leaves. Right. You cut finely. Okay, very finely pieces. All right. Very good. The color looks good. Start to bring the color together, all right? And you start to smell good, guys. So my next step now is my cilantro. Okay, cilantro I have a half of bunch, all right? So what you do is you sprinkle everywhere. Everywhere. And don't forget to put inside. All right? So my next step now it's a half bunch of scallion. Alright guys, just put the sprinkle everywhere. The rest just put inside. Okay. My next step is 1 big onion. Alright, you cut in slices. Okay, like this, big slice like that. You just put everywhere. Very important. Inside the chicken. Alright? So, alright. Very good. If you need more salt, you just add it. Alright? You can try it, see if you need. My next step is 1 green pepper. Alright? Same way, you just put everywhere. Alright, looking good. Alright, my next step is gonna be black pepper. Yes, black pepper, guys. If you guys don't like black pepper, you don't have to use. Alright, so I love it. So we just sprinkle everywhere. Alright, black pepper, I have 1 tablespoon. Alright, because I love black pepper. So don't forget to put it inside too. Alright, to give the flavor. Alright, very good. Looking good. Looking good, guys. Alright, my next step is this. Bay leaves. 1 bay leaves. I have here, it's in pieces, but it's 1 bay leaf. That's a pieces of 1 bay leaf. Okay, just. Alright, guys. My next step is gonna be now. It's this is. I have 5 potatoes, okay? What you do is you cut 4 pieces, each one, alright? Just there, okay. You don't have to put 5, you can put whatever you want, alright? Alright? Looking good, guys. Very good. Okay, guys. Now my next step is carrots. Alright, just the carrots you put everywhere. Alright, just everywhere. Look at the colors. Look at the colors. How beautiful. Look at the colors, guys. It's looking good. It's looking good. Alright. It's looking good. Alright. And now I have salads too, okay? Next step, salads. So you keep it all over the place. Look how nice. Look beautiful. Alright, sounds good, guys. Now I have to stuff the chicken, alright? Okay guys, now it's time for the stuffing, right? So I have one package of this stuffing, all right? You guys can buy anywhere you want, right? Any brand you want. So what I'm gonna do is, my pot is already preheated there. Now I'm gonna put a half stick of butter, right? A half stick. Only half. Very good. All right. Now my next step is I have to let this the butter melt. I have to wait the butter melt. Okay, it's almost ready. Okay, guys. Now it's time for the milk. You guys can use water or you can use milk. I like to do with milk. All right. So you need 2 cups. That's 1. 2 cups of milk. After that, guys, the stuffing. All right, very good. Don't be afraid. All right, guys, that's one. All right, now you pour there. All right, that looks good. Looking good. Looking good. Okay, guys, looking good. All right, now you mix it up. All right, guys. My stuffing is ready. So now I'm going to stuff the chicken. All right? So you do it. All right, looking good. It's my stuffing. It's in already. All right? So now I'm going to cover. And my oven is already preheated. Okay? 350. Alright? So now you cover very well. Very good. Looking good, guys. Alright, so now I'm going to open my oven. And that's the baby cook. Don't be scared, guys. Don't be scared. Okay, guys, so you let it cook for about 1 hour, all right? In 1 hour, you guys take out, check, all right? And if it's ready, because you guys know when it's ready, right? So you take the cover and let brown, and it's gonna taste delicious. All right, guys. Now let's start here with the mashed potato. I'm making a mashed potato. Alright, so I have my potato ready, it's cooked already. You can see. Alright, so to do this, I'm gonna need a half stick of butter. Alright, guys, I'm gonna need 1 tablespoon of salt. Alright, very good. And I'm gonna need 1 tablespoon of garlic. Alright, guys? Alright. Garlic is good. Garlic is good, guys. It's gonna bring the flavor together. Alright? And I'm gonna need 1 cup of milk. That's it. Very good. Alright. Looks good. Looking good, guys. So now I'm gonna mix. It's looking good. Alright. Very good. So this is, I'm gonna leave it in the stove, in the top of my stove, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey, everybody. Yes. Let's do 1 hour and a half. Alright, so it's time to check. Let's go. Alright. Smell good. Smell very good, guys. Smell very good. Let's check this chicken. Whoa, looking good. It's cooking. It's cooking, guys. Now, guys, it's time. This is a butter. All right, I have here 1.5 tablespoons, all right, of butter. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna paste, all right, the top. Water. All right, good. Very good. The rest is just okay, guys. It's looking good. Now I'm gonna cover. All right. So you have to cover because it's not cooked yet. All right. So let's do 1 hour and a half. All right. So all right. Go. Very good. See you in a little bit. Okay, guys, time to packaging. Alright, let's go to see. Let's see what's going on here. Let's go see what's going on. Alright. Very good, guys. So now it's time to, so I'm not gonna cover now. Now it's time to cook a little bit more and brown. All right. See you in a little bit. Hey guys, it's all right. Very good. Yay. All right. Very good. Hey guys. Here you go. This is the finished product. Alright? Guys like that? Guys like that, guys? Yes? But don't be scared. Alright, guys. Listen. This is my chicken. This is my mashed potato. And this is my stuffing. Right? Now I'm gonna try to see if it tastes good. Right? Let's see. Let me see. Okay. Get a little piece of right. My stuff looks good. Looks good, guys. Right. That's it. Let you know. Guys, tastes very good. All right, tastes very good. Stuffing. Very good, guys. It's my potato. Telling you. Fantastic. Mashed potato. Hey guys. You guys have a good weekend, right? Love you all.